So we're back with the new Samsung S26 Ultra. Interesting series of facts that you may or may not know about the Samsung S26 Ultra. So in today's own, let's jump in. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra comes with default filters. Yes, have 12 default filters in the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. To access them, click on that 4 dot by the right side menu of the camera and it will pull out the filters for you, starting from the original, which is the way your camera should look. And then when you go in, you can select, and these interesting filters can actually give your photos a unique look, depending on what you want to achieve with your photos or pictures. And it gets more interesting when you click on that download on the right side. It will take you to Samsung Store, where you can download tons and tons of other type of kind of effect for your pictures. It gets even better. You can also edit this effect after you have taken a photo, or you can apply these filters to a picture that you've taken before without it, and it makes it more interesting. And furthermore about this, it also works on both the front camera, the ultra wide, every one of them it works. And you can also even create a custom filter by clicking on that plus button. So let me know, will you use the Samsung new filter on the S26 Ultra? So that's it on today's interesting fact about the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra that you may or may not know. Let me hear from you in the comment section, and make sure you like, share and subscribe. And until I see you in the next video, it is peace to our world. Subscribe. I'll see you.